Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Today I am making another highly requested balloon garland. I love making requested videos and requested balloon garlands because I can just be free and doing whatever I want, how I want to just create and be creative. Today's theme is Winter Wonderland. Me personally, I love all the glitter and all the silver and whites and grays and every other color that you can incorporate into Winter Wonderland. And I do get a lot more requests now because winter is approaching and people are giving me, or subscribers are giving me really good ideas on colors. So maybe I will make more than one Winter Wonderland balloon garland. Everything I will be using in this video, you guys, everything will be linked in the description under the video, so as the balloon count, because I'm getting a lot of questions on how many balloons I used on one particular balloon garland. Everything always is listed in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, guys, let's go and let's make this Winter Wonderland balloon garland. Here is what I'm planning to use for today's balloon garland. I am using different balloons from different companies. This pile over here, 18-inch white balloons, they are from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. This pile over here from Shimmer and Confetti. These are 12-inch balloons. The rest of the stuff I bought from Amazon, so let's break this pile down. I have 5, 36, and 24-inch balloons in white, 12-inch chrome silver balloons, my foil balloons in silver, clear balloons, and I will be using silver glitter. This box over here, these are my lights. I have 3 boxes like this waiting for me to try it out. On top of all this, I am planning to use my electric balloon pump, low temperature glue gun, or glue dots. I haven't decided yet. 20 or 30 pound fishing line, and that's about it. While my electric balloon pump is cool, I want to show you what I'm going to do with these clear balloons. I made a cone out of paper, random piece of paper with a little opening over there, and I'm inserting this cone into my balloon as far as it can go, just like this, taking my glitter and pouring a decent amount of glitter into this cone. To blow my balloon, I can't use my pump upwards like I usually do. I need to flip my electric balloon pump. That's how I'm doing this. I'm holding it between my knees and I'm starting to blow this balloon. If you're gonna keep your electric balloon pump upwards, all the glitter is gonna fly out and you're gonna have a crazy sparkly mess. So let's blow this up. Now we need to figure out the way how to stick all of this glitter to our balloons. You guys, these balloons are a little bit tricky to static inside. You can use your hands or towel. When you're done magnetizing or staticking all your glitter, just place your balloon carefully on the floor without shaking it or bouncing it, because all the glitter is gonna fly down. Guys, if this balloon will pop on me with all this glitter, it's gonna be one glittery explosion at my own risk. Learned here, the more glitter you put into these balloons, the prettier it looks. My first 2 balloons, the one that I showed you, and my practice round balloon, I didn't put as much glitter as I wanted to, and this one is literally filled with glitter and it looks beautiful. I'm pulling out my second balloon pump from a bunch of balloons just because this balloon pump, my balloon pump, is getting a little bit too warm and I'm afraid it's going to pop my balloon. So I'm going to alternate between pumps. Guys, I am done with all the glitter balloons. Glitter is everywhere. I try to collect the glitter as much as I can, but it's impossible. I feel like I'm gonna be stuck with this glitter for such a long time. I'm covered in glitter, all my floor is in glitter, glitter everywhere. Back to our latex balloons. I am blowing my 12-inch balloons and I am pairing them. So 2 balloons at the same time. And tie them together to create a pair. Inch balloons. I'm going to do exactly what I did with my 12-inch balloons, 2 balloons at the same time, and pair them together. To create my balloon garland base, I am using 30-pound fishing line. I want to create 2 bases today. I want to kind of split these balloons evenly and then build my 2 bases with my 30-pound fishing line. You guys, I like using 20-pound fishing line because it's a little bit thinner and it's a lot easier to tie knots on. 30-pound will work just as great, but hey, I like 20-pound fishing line. Too bad I'm running out of my 20-pound fishing line and it's not going to be enough for 2 bases. So I'm using 30-pound fishing line. To build my bases, I am using these pairs of 18-inch balloons and 12-inch balloons. I am leaving my 5-inch balloons aside. So silver are blown individual and tied individually. So I'm taking my fishing line and tying my fishing line to my first pair. I started with 18-inch balloon pair just because I want to build the bottom of my balloon garland a little bit bigger. Next pair right on top of my first pair, and kind of pinch your pairs together with your fingers. Grab your fishing line with your other hand and wrap around newly placed balloon once. Pull on your fishing line and push your balloons. Be careful not to pull on your fishing line too hard because you can cut your balloons with fishing line. Again, around newly placed balloon, pull on your fishing line, push your balloons together. Keep doing that with the rest of your balloons or until you reach the desired length of your balloon garland. Here you guys, I'm done with my first balloon garland. I did add 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters, or not clusters, pairs of balloons just to make my balloon garland go thinner at the top. And to secure my balloon garland, I cut a long piece of fishing line. I'm holding my fishing line with one hand. With my other, I am wrapping that tail around one of the balloons, and now I created this loop. So I'm taking the tail, feeding through the loop, and I'm pulling on my fishing line. I'm creating knots. I'm gonna do that a couple or a few times to make sure I secured my balloon garland 100%. I am making my second balloon garland, and I am doing exactly what I did with my first one. My balloon garlands are ready. I don't like the typical looking column shape, so I want to switch some balloons around. Already it looks so much better. Garlands are up. I didn't show you, or I didn't explain how I hung them. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands, and there in that video I showed up close how I hang all of my garlands on my backdrops and how I hang my garlands on the walls or on the door trim. So that video is useful. Go ahead and check it out. Now I am using my low temperature glue gun to attach the rest of my balloons on my garland, and these guys over here I am avoiding putting them with low temperature glue gun on my balloon garland. If you're going to use low temperature glue gun or any other temperature glue gun on these balloons, they will melt and pop immediately. So for these guys over here, use glue dots and you'll be good to go. Let's go. Touches. Last thing we need to do are these lights over here. So I bought 3 boxes like this. In one box we have 2 lights. They come like this with remotes. Is what I have for you guys today. Beautiful winter wonderland setup. I love how everything turned out. It turned out really good, exactly what I was thinking and imagining, maybe even better. You guys, I love these lights. They do add something icy into my garlands, something wintry. Love them so much. If you're going to be using these lights for your event, please use good new batteries, because if you're going to be using bad batteries, these lights won't be as bright. They will look dull and you're not going to achieve this effect from them. So new batteries for these lights. I absolutely love how glitter looks in these clear balloons. So beautiful. I wish you could see them in real life. They do look so much better. That shine and shimmer that glitter gives from the light, it doesn't pick up on camera, but it's so totally beautiful. Not regretting that I had glitter everywhere and I'm still covered in glitter, but hey, worth it. All of the balloons that I worked with, they were good quality. Just one balloon had a hole. It was a 5-inch balloon. The rest of the balloons, no problem. I am in love with these silver chrome balloons. They are stunning. It doesn't matter what size you're gonna blow them, they will look beautiful anyways. This is a smaller balloon, or a blue, it's smaller than this one and still looks beautiful. You guys, these clear balloons, as I said before, don't use low temperature, high temperature, any temperature glue gun. It will pop your balloon. These are not latex. These are kind of like plasticky, soft plasticky balloons. Yes, don't use glue guns on these balloons. Use glue dots. Everything else were attached with low temperature glue gun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on this Winter Wonderland garland, or garlands. There's two. I love how everything turned out. Everything worked really, really good together. You guys, you give me such good ideas for my videos. You give me great colors, so I might do more than one Winter Wonderland balloon garland. Stay tuned for that. If you have any additional questions about this setup, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I would know that you enjoyed this video. If you're new here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more ideas and just join our creative, friendly family. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!